You know, right now, as you're watching this, there's an amazing recycling program running inside your body. It's called Autophagy. And trust me, getting to know this process could completely change how you think about your health.
Pretty intense, right? Self-eating. That's the literal translation. And while it sounds a little dramatic, it perfectly captures what this incredible biological process is all about. So the word itself comes straight from the Greek. Auto means self, and phagine means to eat. But don't worry, it's not some kind of sci-fi horror movie. This self-eating is actually one of the smartest, most powerful repair systems you've got.
Okay, so what is it really? Well, the easiest way to think about it is like this. Autophagy is your body's own personal, built-in cleaning crew. It's the deep cleaning housekeeping that keeps everything inside you running just right. See, just like your house gets messy, your cells do too. They work hard. And over time, they build up all sorts of junk. We're talking old proteins that don't work anymore, damaged parts, broken components, all this stuff that can just clog up the works.
And this isn't just a light dusting, it's a really deep, targeted clean. Autophagy goes in and clears out all the gunk. Faulty proteins, worn-out mitochondria, the little power plants in our cells, plus other broken bits and even nasty toxins.
But here's the really cool part. Autophagy doesn't just throw out the trash. No way. It's a super efficient recycling program. It takes all those old, broken pieces and breaks them down into raw materials to build new, healthy parts. It's the ultimate renewal system.
Now, this isn't just some new wellness trend. It's backed by some serious science. So why does this cellular cleanup matter so much for our health, for our longevity? Let's get into the science of it all. You might think this is a brand new idea, but scientists actually first identified this process way back in the 1960s, but it really hit the main stage in 2016 when a Japanese scientist, Dr. Yoshinori Asami, won the Nobel Prize for figuring out exactly how it all works. That's a huge deal. And his work showed us just how high the stakes are. I mean, look at this. When autophagy is humming along nicely, your body is in a constant state of repair. That means you're better protected against disease, you have less inflammation, but when it's not working well, that's when you get toxin buildup, faster aging, and more inflammation. The difference is night and day.
We know it's super important, but how does this whole recycling system actually work down at the cellular level? To really get it, let's use a simple metaphor that makes it all click. I want you to imagine that one of your cells is a tiny, bustling city. It's got power plants, little factories, transportation systems, the whole shebang. And just like any city, sometimes things break down and trash starts to pile up. So, what happens? The city sends out its special repair crews. In our cells, these crews are called autophagosomes. You can picture them as these smart little trash bags that go around hunting for all the damaged, useless junk and gobbling it up. Next, these crews haul their cargo to a very specific place, the lysosomes. Think of lysosomes as the city's high-tech recycling centers, packed with powerful enzymes ready to break everything down. So inside that recycling center, all that cellular junk gets totally dismantled into its most basic, reusable building blocks. We're talking valuable stuff like amino acids, fats, and sugars. Nothing goes to waste. And here, this is the most beautiful part of the whole process. The cell takes those recycled raw materials and uses them for energy or to build brand new, perfectly working parts. It's breakdown leading directly to rebirth. So elegant.
Okay, this whole system is just incredible, right? Which naturally leads to the big question, can we actually do anything to help it along? And the answer is a huge yes. So let's talk about how you can activate your own natural repair system.
So here's the secret. Autophagy isn't always turned up to full blast. It gets a massive boost when our cells feel a little bit of good stress, specifically when our energy supply is low. That's the signal for our cells to switch from growth mode into repair mode. It's an old survival instinct. When resources are scarce, the body gets smart and starts cleaning house to be more efficient. So how do we flick that switch? Well, here are 4 really simple ways. Number 1, intermittent fasting. Just giving your body a 12 to 16-hour break from food tells it, okay, cleanup time. Number 2, exercise. Both cardio and lifting weights create that good stress we're talking about. 3, just stop snacking all the time. Give your body a break. And 4, get good sleep. That's when these repair programs really kick in a high gear.
But, and this is a big one, you've got to remember that the trigger is mild stress. Too much stress, like from really extreme fasting or constantly overtraining, can actually do the opposite and shut this process down. So, like with most things in life, balance is absolutely key.
You know, when you step back and look at the big picture, autophagy isn't some chore you have to do. It's this beautiful, natural rhythm that's already built into your biology, a constant, elegant dance of breakdown and rebirth.
By understanding how this works, we can make smarter choices with our food, our exercise, and our rest. Your body is literally designed to renew itself. It has this superpower built right in. The only question left is, are you giving it the chance to do its job?